Alright everyone, welcome back. So I'm gonna make this instant microbe tea. I'm gonna add all of these. So all the the powder ones, I'm gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then the Dino Michael and the Extreme Gardening the Michaels, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon. And then the EM1, the activated EM1 is gonna be 30 mils. Yeah. And it's gonna be in the 5-gallon bucket. Alright. And then I'm gonna water it in into the bloom. Alright everyone. Welcome back everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and water everything real good. And then I'll show you guys once I'm done. Alright.